Our goal is simple. It's to prepare every student for a successful future. That's why we're so excited to offer rich learning opportunities that align with Goal 5 of our strategic plan, ensuring that every student graduates ready to thrive in life after high school. Through their K-12 experience, students across FCPS have targeted opportunities to explore future careers, build financial literacy, and develop portrait of a graduate skills. These experiences will help them transition successfully through graduation and into their adult life. At the elementary level, schools are doing simulations where students explore different classroom jobs, matching their personal experiences and skills with roles like line captain, technology support, or even cleanup crew.
Applying for jobs this year was different because we actually had more of a choice for which job we picked, and it made us have a more real world experience building resumes and applications, having to list down our skills and what we were good at, how we could work in a group. We also had more of a choice. There was a wide range of jobs to pick from, so that made it more hands-on and lifelike.
Finance Park is an experience that all 8th grade students attend. Before they go, they spend 3 weeks learning about financial literacy, which includes savings, spending, and career options. If you visited Finance Park, you're going to see a bunch of different businesses. Students go from storefront to storefront, where they're going to have to make some tough decisions. What choices are they making for their cars? What type of groceries are they purchasing? Are they going on vacation this year? Are they budgeting for that vacation? Finance Park is a great simulation for all our 8th graders to experience what it feels like to be an adult making some real life financial decisions.
Every year, FCPS and surrounding school divisions across Northern Virginia team up with Virginia Ed Strategies and the Inova Healthcare System to host Instruction to Industry, a future-ready conference. This is a regional event designed to connect students with local employers in high-demand career fields. Participating high schools send students on this field trip that provides hands-on exposure to career pathways, essential workforce skills, and meaningful industry connections. But this isn't your typical career fair. Instruction to Industry takes things to the next level, with career cluster themed rooms, dynamic networking workshops, and even rapid-fire mock interviews. And the impact? It's huge. Employers reported more than 3,000 student-to-employer interactions, over 700 planned follow-ups, and nearly 200 paid job and internship offers, all from just one event. And this year, it's bigger than ever. Over 2 full days in March, the conference will serve twice as many students as before. These opportunities, especially starting at a young age, will open students' eyes to the possibilities that they may have never known about, allow them to dream of a bright future, and give them the tools to thrive, regardless of the path they take.